Little flower.
Food chain and food web in ecosystem. Hello, friends. Today's topic for learning is the food chain in our ecosystem. A series of organisms that eat one another, resulting in the flow of energy from one organism to the other, is called a food chain. Let's explore this topic with visual representation. A food chain describes how different organisms eat each other for survival. Just like how you saw the plant being eaten by a grasshopper, and how it ended up in the frog's stomach. Producers. The food chain comprises of the producers, consumers, and decomposers. Plants are producers. They absorb sunlight, which is readily available, water, and other nutrients from soil, and produce their food through a process called photosynthesis. Plants are the only living being which creates new energy for the other living beings. Consumers. Animals are consumers. This is because energy, they just use it up. Animals that eat plants are called primary consumers or herbivores. Animals that eat other animal are called secondary consumers of carnivores. If a carnivore eats another carnivore, it is called a tertiary consumer. Some animals play both roles, eating both plants and animals. They are called omnivores. Bacteria and fungi are decomposers. They are also called detrivores. They eat decaying matter, that is dead plants and animals, and in the process they break them down and decompose them. When that happens, they release nutrients and mineral salt back into the soil. Humans are the end of the food chain. They eat both plants and animals that have consumed other forms of energy. A food web is a natural interconnection of different food chains. So tune in next time for some more fun facts. Like, share and subscribe for more videos from Little Flower.